What's up, guys? I'm gonna do a product review on the stovetop knobs here that I bought off of Amazon from a company called Monkemon. I don't know how do you pronounce it, but I'm gonna drop the link in the description below. Let's dive right in. Okay, so we're going to unbox the knobs. Came in a nice little box. Not too bad. Well, I can see the intention. The knobs are supposed to be in here. They look to be a little scattered, but that's okay. We'll just inspect each one, make sure that there wasn't any damage during the shipping. But they look really nice. Very shiny. Exactly what you would expect. Alright, looks good. Let's go test them out. Let's go put them on the stove. But before we do, the profile looks pretty good. It's got this reinforced ring, which is one of the primary reasons why I ordered this, is because it had this, and that was the area that failed on my original stove. Was this ring right here. I had two of them that actually failed. I took the two that failed on mine. You can see here that my quick fix was to add duct tape, and it worked for a bit, but you can feel the flimsiness when you were turning on the gas. So that was one. Here's the other, and this is what it's supposed to look like. Here's theirs. So you can see that it's got like that reinforced ring right there, where it's gonna have all the stress on it when you're turning these knobs. They look about the same in size. Yeah, let's go put these bad boys on. Alright, so I put the knobs in. The initial installation, the first one right here, was a little tough on me. I had to really push it in, but all the other ones went right in. I'm very pleased with the look. Actually, the whole stove now looks really nice with these knobs. It doesn't look too bad. Just a reminder, it's in the product description. It does not come with this lock control knob right here. This is the original one. I spent maybe about an extra hour or so looking for a set that included this control knob without any luck. So I just gave up. I ended up just buying these. I have no issues with this knob. I don't think we really use it that often, which is probably why it's still in pretty good condition. But other than that, it doesn't really look bad with the other set. If you guys were curious about that, that's how that looks. Looks pretty good. I like it, and yeah, definitely recommend these.